Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to track orders on AliExpress. First thing you should do is to simply get AliExpress application on your phone, then you should launch it, and after that you should log in into your account, and here on the bottom right corner you have this icon right here, account. Click on it, then it will show you this page. And now we have to go to the section which is called My Orders, and you have to click on the option that has red notifications on it. And here in my case, it is to review. Then once you click on it, it will show you the orders that you have to review. So you can simply choose any order. Then it will show you this blue bar up right here. So if you have the point in front of any one of these stations, this means that the product is still in this station. So if you have the product on delivered, this means that the product has been delivered. If you have the product on Kosoveska, this means that it's still in Kosoveska. And this method allows you to monitor the status of your package from the moment it leaves the seller's warehouse until it arrives at your doorstep. So actually it's very useful, and I hope you make good use of it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.